In this video, I will describe you the Windows 11 Dev version, OS built 26080 and what is new features of this version of Windows 11. See Windows 11 26080 version notify me to restart computer. Restart your computer. See Windows 11 26080 version installed in my computer. What are the new key features of this version of Windows 11? This build comes with updates to Microsoft Teams in Windows 11. See the Teams Personal Account User Interface over Teams Work User Interface. Teams user selecting which account to use to join a meeting. A Teams notification that someone is calling. Improvements to Copilot in Windows * now rolling out to more Windows insiders. Copilot in Windows undocked and shown next to Notepad like a normal application window. New live captions quick setting highlighted with a red box in the quick settings flyout from the system on the taskbar. Design of progress bar under app icons has been updated to show a thin line under the colored progress bar to make it easier to see. New option highlighted for choosing to apply your selected action, skip, replace, for all conflicts when extracting files in File Explorer. Many more known issues and fixes. That's it. Enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed video please like, comment, subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.